Hello! Today we're going to be opening this Super Mario Lego. It's a mystery. So we'll see what we get. I'm just going to tear it apart and get started. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a piece of tape here. Alright, so... Alright. Okay, here's bag 1, bag 2. Woo. What else? Oh, there's more. And, okay. Oh, I think I know what I got. I think it's this one. Yeah. So, here are the instructions. Alright, so here are the instructions. Okay. Assembly. Several steps, I guess. Let's tear it apart. I think these are the green things. Yeah. Whatever it is. Okay, and then here are the possibilities. You got this one. Alright. More parts. I think this is a stand. So, one. And then this little piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snap. It's in. Alright. Okay, next we got this. These two pieces. Something like that. Okay. And then on top we've got these things. And then you need this thing on top. Okay. And then there's another round thingy. Like that. Okay. And then we put this over here. Stand it up. Okay. Alright, so this is the assembled product. The back. The front. Alright. Kind of flimsy. But there it is. Thank you for watching. Thank you.